We know how easy it is to forget God sometimes. That's why we create wall art that brightens homes and spirits. We're here to remind you of God's promises for your life. You're ready to brighten your family's hearts and the walls of your home or office with the love of God, and we're ready to help you. Because with all the gloom today, it's easy to get depressed. Fortunately, it's super easy to get our uplifting artwork to hang on your wall. First, you grab your 10% off discount code, then you shop through our online catalog of uplifting wall hangings. Then third, we handcraft your order and ship it out the door to your place within 1 to 2 business days. Life is too short to spend it feeling crummy even part of the time. God created you for more. Does your heart and the hearts of your family burst with joy and love every day? If not, grab your 10% off coupon now by entering your email and clicking the subscribe button below. You're ready to brighten your walls and your family's hearts with the love of God, and we're ready to help you.